Baccalauréat, Lecture 12142, Freedom. Freedom through Meditation, Part 2 of 2. Meditation is not something we can do without learning the truth. Past meditators were just experimenting. What is authentic meditation? If you meditate while digesting the truth, your soul expands. So you have to know precisely what meditation is. Sitting down and trying to feel something new is just pretending to meditate. This is not proper meditation. At such times, these were just activities to quiet down and calm yourself. Because we have soul energy, we can learn how to commune with nature this way. Then, when you have found the true answer, like I said before, you become free from your past. When you realize this, you think, where did I gain this knowledge from? Did I find myself through effort? Does what I found have quality? We should have questions like this. Is the answer you found the proper one? Is there a more significant answer than that? These questions can vary. That's why I say, do not meditate deeply yet. If you are studying the truth now, when you meditate, do it only for around 10 minutes. Do not become attached to it. Meditating for 10 minutes is enough to organize yourself. It is about organizing what you have learned today. Then after a certain point, the time to meditate fully will come to you. At that time, you can experience true meditation. Meditate for around 10 minutes and never exceed 45 minutes. Time flies when you reflect on yourself. This meditation is to organize yourself. When true meditation occurs, you can sit for a year or even 10 years without moving. But this is different from being attached to meditation. This is organizing. You will not even think about eating. This is the moment when your soul connects to the universe. Your soul is doing that activity now as you transcend time and space. You think it's a short moment, but what you experience is something that cannot happen without transcending time and space. The time for authentic meditation will come. So do not rush to do it. The fact that you are rushing means you are not ready to meditate yet. I'm not telling you not to meditate. Use it to organize yourself. So do it little by little. 10-minute meditation. Meditate on who you met, what you learned, and what information you received. Arrange all these things for 10 minutes. And begin your day from there. Then you will improve yourself. This meditation is for your development. The huge meditation to reach enlightenment is an extensive one that you can only do after completing your development. When you do such extensive meditation, you will automatically be connected with grand nature. After this, you will have the capacity, skills, and connection to grand nature in order to do great things for society. This will happen naturally. That's why people say we become one with nature and reach enlightenment. Intellectuals become enlightened in this way. This is different from those who see or receive messages from spirits. When you meditate recklessly, you may struggle after allowing spirits to enter your body. You will become possessed. These people are neither intellectuals nor shamans, so they appear strange. You have to be careful about these things. Meditation has been misused and brought out such issues in society. Meditation should be for arranging yourself. Letting go of your past happens naturally when you develop. Time allows us to evolve and develop progressively. But since you don't know this principle precisely, you cannot completely escape your past. So you waste your life going up and down repeatedly. It's crucial to unfold these truths so that our descendants can consolidate their time by avoiding mistakes and can move forward quickly. By sharing our experiences with the right principles, we can build the highway for the following generations to not waste their time and learn everything to move forward. So it's imperative to solve these things now.